Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to connect Square Payment to Wix in 2026. This is useful if you already use Square for your business and want to give customers a simple way to pay directly through your Wix website without having to manage a completely separate payment setup. If you want to let customers pay through Square on your Wix website, the process is very straightforward. And in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through it clearly so you can get everything connected without confusion. Once the connection is set up correctly, Square can become one of the payment options available during checkout, which can make it easier to keep your online payment workflow connected with the tools you already use for your business. To begin, go to your site's main Wix dashboard. This is the control center for your website, where you manage settings, payments, design, and other important business tools. Make sure you're opening the dashboard for the correct Wix website, especially if you manage more than one site under the same account. Once you're on the dashboard, look over to the left-hand sidebar and click on Settings. This section contains the main configuration options for your site, so that's where you'll start for payment setup. You'll find a number of website and business settings here, but for this tutorial, we're specifically focusing on the options related to accepting customer payments. After opening Settings, find and click Accept Payments. This is the area where Wix lets you manage the payment providers available for your website. If you're setting up online payments for the first time, this section is especially important because it controls how customers will complete checkout on your site. Depending on your website type and location, you may see several different payment methods and providers available here. Once you're inside the Accept Payment section, click See More Payment Options. This will expand the list of available payment providers that can be connected to your Wix store or website. Take a moment to look through the available providers, because the options Wix displays can vary depending on your country, business location, and the payment services supported in your region. From there, look for the Square option. When you find it, click Connect. This is the option that starts the process of linking your Wix website with your Square account. If you don't see Square listed, that usually means it isn't currently available in your region through Wix. In that case, the issue is typically based on location availability rather than a problem with your account or website settings. So if the option is missing, that's the reason to keep in mind. It's worth checking Wix's current payment provider availability for your country before spending time troubleshooting your account, because supported payment methods can differ from one region to another. If Square is available and you click Connect, Wix will guide you through the connection process. At this stage, you'll need to enter the necessary details to complete the setup. Just follow the prompts carefully and make sure the information you provide matches your Square account details so the connection can be completed properly. For example, if you're asked to sign in or authorize Wix to connect with Square, use the Square account associated with the business you actually want to receive payments through. Double-checking your account details here can help prevent connection issues later. Once that information is submitted and approved, your Square payment connection should be set up. That's it. Your Wix site will then be linked with Square, allowing you to move forward with payment setup more smoothly. At this point, Square should appear as an active or connected payment option inside your Wix payment settings, depending on the exact interface Wix is showing you. As a quick tip, after finishing the connection, it's always a good idea to review your payment settings and make sure everything appears active and correctly connected inside Wix. That way, you can feel more confident before customers begin using the payment option on your site. If possible, you may also want to go through your checkout flow yourself and confirm that the expected payment option appears correctly before promoting your website to customers. This simple check can help you catch any setup issues before a real customer reaches checkout. And that's how to connect Square Payment to Wix in 2026. Once everything is connected and verified, you'll be in a much better position to accept payments through your Wix website using your Square setup.